Harness the power of the sun while cooking with our top 3 solar oven picks of 2022. Outcastland.com. Our number 3 pick is the official All-American Sun oven, which is a great solution if you are wanting to jump in with both feet. It is a well-built setup, has several optional accessories, and is completely safe, meaning you can leave it alone to cook with no danger of fires. It can reach temperatures up to around 400 degrees and is quite roomy, allowing you to cook a considerable amount. But it is not the most portable setup at 23 pounds, and the big downside is the price, as it comes in at about $440. So it's an oven you'd pick when you're ready to get serious about using the solar energy to cook your food. At number 2 is the Haines 2.0 SunUp Solar Cooker and Dutch Oven Kit. This kit is a simple snap-together design that can be folded down and packed away, and only weighs about 29 ounces, not including the pot that comes with it, which makes it a much more doable option for camping. It's made from a reflective mylar that is durable and scratch resistant, so it should last you quite a long while, and you can currently pick this one up at a much cheaper price at only about $120. At number 1 is the GOSUN Solar Oven, and it receives our top spot due to its portability and having an efficient and simple fold-up design that only weighs in at about 2 pounds or so. Although it can't cook a ton at one time, it boasts cooking times in as little as 20 minutes while reaching temperatures of up to 550 degrees in full sunlight. It has a glass tube oven, stainless steel cooking tray, and comes with a mini cookbook. It's just about the perfect solution if you're using it to hike and camp, and currently you can pick it up for about $125. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at outcastland.com.